Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to disable snipping tool on Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To disable snipping tool on Windows 11 computer, go to search. In search type gpedit. Click on Edit Group Policy. Under Computer Configuration, expand Administrative Template. Now expand Windows Component. Scroll down and then expand Tablet PC and select Accessories. And here you will find an option, Do not allow snipping tool to run. And now it's not configured. Right click on this setting and click on Edit. Select Enabled. Now click on Apply and then click on OK. The setting is enabled now. Close Local Group Policy Editor. Right click on Start menu. Click on Run. In Run type gp update/force to update group policy immediately. Click on OK. The group policy is updating. Now you need to restart your computer. Click on Start menu. Click on Power and then click on Restart. After restarting the computer, hope snipping tool is disabled on your Windows 11 computer. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.